Welcome back. Let us go through this question. A car weighs 1800 kg. The distance between its front and back axles is 1.8 meter. Its center of gravity is 1.05 meter behind the front axle. Determine the force exerted by the level ground on each front wheel and each back wheel. The free body diagram of the car is shown below. So we will use the conditions of equilibrium here. Rf plus Rb equals mg. This is Rf, this is Rb. The summation of both is equal to the weight of this particular car, that is mg, and it is given by 1800 into 9.8, as 1800 is given and we know the value of g. So this gives us the value of Rf plus Rb. It is denoted as the first equation. Now for rotational equilibrium, Rf into 1.05 equals Rb into 1.8 minus 1.05. So from these two equations, this is equation 2. So from these two equations, we get the value of Rf and Rb. The force exerted by the front wheel is 3675 Newton, and force exerted by the back wheel is 5145 Newton.